This is real English. Nobody teaches you this, but native speakers use it every day. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn 20 real English phrases that will make you sound natural instantly. Let's start with a very common one. I'm down. It means you agree to do something. Want to grab coffee? Yeah, I'm down. Use it when you accept a plan in a casual way. Now listen to this one. You will hear it a lot. That sucks. It means something is bad or disappointing. I lost my phone. Man, that sucks. Use it when you react to bad news. This next one shows surprise. No way. It means you are surprised or you don't believe it. I met a celebrity. No way. Use it when something shocks you. Now, something very friendly and supportive. I got you. It means I will help you or I understand you. Can you help me? Don't worry, I got you. Use it when you support someone. Let's continue. This one is very useful in daily life. Hang on. It means wait a moment. Are you ready? Hang on 1 second. Use it when you need a little time. Now a very real situation. I'm broke. It means you have no money. Let's go shopping. I can't. I'm broke. Use it when you can't spend money. This one is common when people are emotional. Chill out. It means relax or calm down. Why are you yelling? Hey, chill out. Use it when someone is too stressed or angry. Now something you will hear with friends. It's on me. It means I will pay. Who pays? Don't worry, it's on me. Use it when you offer to pay. Let's go with a quick and simple one. My bad. It means it's my mistake. You forgot the keys. Oh, my bad. Use it when you admit a small mistake. Now a very positive response. No worries. It means it's okay or no problem. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Use it when you forgive something small. Let's keep going. You're doing great. I'm in. It means you want to join. We're watching a movie. I'm in. Use it when you join a plan. This one shows a strong decision. That's it. It means that's all or enough. I can't do this anymore. That's it. Use it when you decide something strongly. Now something you will use all the time. Give me a sec. It means wait a short time. Are you coming? Give me a sec. Use it when you need a moment. This one is very honest. I don't get it. It means you don't understand. This is easy. I don't get it. Use it when you feel confused. Now a flexible answer. It depends. It means the answer is not fixed. Are you coming? It depends. Use it when you are not sure yet. This one is very polite. I'm good. It means no, thank you, or I'm fine. Do you want more food? I'm good. Use it when you politely refuse. Now imagine you enter a strange situation. What's going on? It means what is happening. Everyone is quiet. What's going on? Use it when you feel confused about a situation. This one is important in conversations. You're right. It means you agree with someone. This is a bad idea. Yeah, you're right. Use it when someone makes a good point. Now let's add some energy. Let's go. It means start now or you feel excited. We're ready. Let's go. Use it when you feel excited to begin. And finally, a very real feeling. I'm tired of this. It means you feel frustrated. This keeps happening. I'm tired of this. Use it when something annoys you again and again. Now you understand real English, not textbook English, real life English. If you use these phrases, people will feel your English is natural. Keep practicing, keep listening, and soon you won't just speak English. You'll sound like it. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel because here you don't learn boring English, you learn real English.